Microsoft is releasing Microsoft Designers, and it may be a tool to replace either Canva or all the designers. In this video, we will discuss about this AI-driven tool and its impact in the design space. So, Designer is a tool created by Microsoft, and they are releasing it soon. For the moment, you can just join the waitlist. And in the promise, at least in the video that is showcasing the product, it will be a tool that can help you design a variety of drafts with the least amount of work. Yes, I know it sounds like Canva, right? I hope you know Canva, by the way. If not, Canva is a design tool that became really popular because it helped people to create design from template by just changing some text color and some small blocks, and it is extremely easy to use. So non-designers can use it to create banners, flyers, presentation, and recently you can create video animation. So it's a really great tool. And as I was saying, these Microsoft designers look like another version of Canva, but with a huge difference there. The difference there is that instead of reusing template and just changing some text, you can describe exactly what you want, and an artificial intelligence will generate it for you. Let me explain. For those who don't know, recently OpenAI, that is actually mainly financed by Microsoft, released an AI called DALL E 2. It is an amazing technology, and it can help you to create everything you have in mind without knowing how to open Photoshop or Illustrator. I'll just put a video presenting the tool here so you understand what this tool can do. So if you go to DALL E website, you will see a lot of examples, a lot of videos explaining how the tool works. As here, for example, let's take this prompt. If you type like an astronaut riding a horse in a photorealistic style, it can generate those things for you. It seems really extremely real. You see, that's those images are generated by an AI, and you can change like playing basketball or in a minimalistic style or in the watercolor style. The AI can generate it for you. If it is a teddy bird, mixing sparkling chemical, a smart scientist, yeah, it's generated for you with different variations. So you have a lot of choices. That's extremely interesting, and that's actually what DALL E 2 can do. I will put the link in the description so you can explore it and see exactly how far you can go with the tool. I think they have an open API that you can use to generate as much image as you want and integrate it in any tool that you want. So if you are interested in creating a tool that can integrate this kind of intelligence, this kind of artificial intelligence, this may be a really interesting thing for you. So after that, imagine that you couple that to a designing tool. Yeah, you get Microsoft Designer. With a lot of promise, I think it can be a really good tool. So after seeing that, you may be wondering if you will ever need designers anymore. To answer this question, let's do a small flashback. When Canva was released, people thought all designers would lose their job because it was a simple, cheaper tool that can do, and I quote the do here, what a designer will normally do. But you are seeing today that it's not true. You can use Canva for simple, unbranded, repetitive design, but when you really want to create a complete and interesting design, you will still need designers. You can just type designer in Upwork or freelancers, and you will see a lot of job posting for designers, but we have Canva right now, okay? So, and I think it will be the same thing here. For people who want to quickly create something that they have in mind, this tool could be amazing, but I'm not sure it will completely replace designer as many may think. As a designer, you may actually use a tool like that, to reduce some part of your work, maybe by creating some illustration at first sight with text, with prompt, and then continue with your design process. Or maybe, you have many ideas and you want to clarify which direction to take. You just kind of generate multiple variation of your idea and maybe compare directly without having to draft everything, and then continue as a designer. So I personally see it like that, not really like a treat for designers. So in conclusion, we are waiting and hoping Microsoft will not deceive us. They always deceive. And I am personally really impatient to test the tool. In the meantime, if you are new here, we talk about AI projects and techs. So don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.